Welcome back to my channel. Today we're painting dandelions in watercolor. And if you're new, hello, my name is Nisha and I teach watercolor and illustration tutorials. So grab your supplies and let's get started. Okay, so get your large round brush and a little bit of green paint, and we'll put in the 2 stems and 2 leaves. They have some pointy parts. It's like little teeth on the leaf. So just use the tip of the brush and pull those out. While that's drying, you're going to rinse your brush and get a little bit of a light grayish lavender color. And we're going to just do the little puffy parts of the tops of the dandelion. So just dot around in a little bit of a circle. And using the detail brush with no paint, just a clean rinse, we're going to quickly pull out some little short strokes. This is before the paint fully dries while it's still wet, so you can get some nice little fine lines from that paint. And then also before it dries, use your paper towel, keep it on hand, and just dab the centers so that they stay light and fluffy looking. So I'm going in with a little bit of a blue and just putting in some shadow spots. And again, before the paint dries, doing some quick line work. This is called cross-hatching. So you're going in one direction with the lines and then going in the opposite direction with the lines, and that creates a little bit of texture since the inside is really light and airy. And remember to dab with your paper towel so it stays pretty light. If it gets a little too dry, you can just put a little clear water on and then re-dab, and that should pick up any excess paint. And just a quick reminder, remember to hit that subscribe button on my channel so you never miss a brand new video. Okay, and then with that same light blue color, we're going to add a few of the little dandelion seeds just flying off into the air, just thin little lines, and then dabbing the top and then darkening right where the seed would be. That will be the strongest amount of paint. Okay, so we're going to check the leaves to see if they're still wet, and if they're still too wet to do details, you can use a paper towel and just dab a little bit and it'll pick up some of that extra water. When it's a little bit drier, you can go in with a little bit darker green, like a brownish green, and add in some of the details like the veins and the shadows. Because this is a very loose style of painting, I'm not too worried about super fine details. I'm just putting in the first and second layers. You can of course keep adding. As soon as your first few layers are dry, you can build on that and add even more detail. Keep your paper towel on hand. If these get too much saturation of paint or water, you can just do a quick dab with the paper towel and pick that right up. I'm just going in and blending and then just using my paper towel to pick up any extra paint that got on there and just smoothing out any rough edges. And there we go, 2 fun fluffy dandelions. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had so much fun painting. I'll see you in the next video.